Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency. Elise Carrick and I are pleased to present to you 27 Goodson Street in West Rockhampton.
This beautifully renovated 2-bedroom home is ready for you as an investor or owner-occupier.
There's lots to like about this fully air-conditioned home. The master bedroom is oversized with lots of extra storage, but the room that I like the most is this that interconnects between the 2 bedrooms and the main bathroom.
This beautiful character-filled home is walking distance to the hospital and the airport, so if you'd like more information, reach out to any of us at the team at the agency. We look forward to meeting you.